Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. We are Aim Up Trading. We're continuing with the educational videos. We hope so far you like them, and we hope we learn and you implemented something in your trading. In this video we would like to talk about the uh, volume indicator. This is something that we actually start using recently, and we find very interesting and actually very helpful. So we wanted to show it to you, and we want to show you the proper way of using it, because sometimes you can have a good tools, but if you're not sure how to use them, they might be harmful for you. So that's what we're gonna talk about in this video. But before we continue, we would really appreciate if you guys go ahead and subscribe to our channel. That really helps us, and also it motivates us to make more free content for you guys, and make some people may call it a review on indicators or strategies. So we can keep going and do that kind of videos for you. Now let's look at the indicator. As you can see, we are on the German index DE30, and we are on the 4-hour chart. We have the volume on our chart as well. And by the way, just so you know, sometimes it might look different on the different platforms, because we are using MetaTrader 4 here. You're gonna see somewhere in our particular chart, you can see it's a bar chart for the volume. Somewhere you can see like lines, somewhere it could be just as a percentage, but they're pretty much exactly the same. There is very small difference on it. I'm just gonna remove those moving averages real quick. We're not gonna need them at this point. But basically what the volume indicator is, you see those green and red bars. What does that mean for you? When we see a green bar, of course, it makes sense that we're gonna be looking for buy opportunities, and basically those bars, the green bar, shows us that the volume of the buyers, that there is more buyers on the market at this particular moment. So they're taking control over this particular market, and we are gonna be focusing on the buying opportunities. The bigger the bar, the more volume we have on this particular tool, and this is a sign for us that we should look for buying opportunities. And of course, vice versa, when we have the red bar, of course we're going to be looking for short opportunities. That means that actually the sellers are in control, and we're going to be looking for taking short trades. We're gonna look to sell. It all makes sense. It's not difficult to use. There is not nothing really that difficult in using this particular indicator, the volume. But there is few specifics, and that's why actually we're gonna just talk about the indicator here, and from there on, in the next videos we're gonna make some trades based on volume. And of course there is gonna be some additional tips, guys. So if you watch the videos, you're gonna see that we cannot just rely on just one single volume indicator. We're gonna put some other additional tips, and you're gonna see our live trades. So we basically have the trades, but we have to connect the video. We have to work a little bit more on it, and we're gonna post it for you. Also, what's really important with volume is those support and resistance levels. Guys, this is something that we always mention in our videos, that those are very important zones, and the volume indicator is something that is gonna give us a hint that maybe the right moment for an entry. But those support and resistance levels, or zones, or however you like to call it, those are the places that we're going to be looking to buy or sell. And when we have those volume bars on our chart, they're going to give us a hint that in this particular moment there is plenty of or more buyers than sellers, and we're going to go long. Or on the other end, if we see a red bar, so we're gonna see that at this particular moment we're having more sellers coming into the market. So this is gonna be a good opportunity, to sell. So you can really nail the very good entries with the volume. But what I would like to do here is I would like to draw those zones, like we like to call them, just so you can visualize it, and it's gonna be easier for you to understand how actually based on the volume and those particular zones, how we can decide whether we're gonna go long or go short. Let me real quick draw this for you. Let me get this rectangle. You can see how we're getting those highs and lows, and it's very easy to, after you get some experience, it's easy to notice those levels. You see how the price react. So on this zone that we particularly draw for you, you can see how the price is reacting at exactly the same levels, and then from this point it comes from resistance to a support. So this is when you can check the volume indicator, and it shows us that at this particular moment there is more buyers. So they see those levels and they decide to go long at this particular moment. And the more buyers we have on the market, the bigger bar we're gonna see on the volume indicator. So this is very important. And when we show you a new indicator, or we like to show you a strategy or something, we never want you to get everything as 100% true. We want you to go there and practice, get a demo account, and whatever we say, test it, so you can convince yourself that what we are saying, it is really working. And that's how it works. You're gonna need a little bit of a practice, because at the beginning, when you watch the video, it all makes sense, but when you're on your own, it's sometimes getting a little confusing, and you're not sure, is that the right zone, did I draw the right levels, is this bar chart on the volume indicator shows us that it's a good moment right now, do I need more volume and stuff like this. We're gonna cover this as well in the next live session tradings that we're gonna post here. But just so you know that there is more than just the indicator. So we always like to say that we should have more stuff in our direction. So when we go for a buy, we want to see sometimes we like to see reaction of this kind of zone, and we want to see this volume indicator, some candlestick formation and etc. But let me draw another zone here. You can see that it's really simple to see them. You see where the price just failed to make higher high, and it just dropped. You can see it goes up, then it failed to break, then goes down, react to this zone as a support, then it goes back up again. It fails to break and make higher high, and then you can see here exactly where we look at those big bullish and bearish candle. You can see the volume indicator as well, how it shows us that the red bars on the volume indicator getting smaller, and the bullish candles, the green one, are getting bigger. And you can see how the price just jumped and it went straight up, and it's that's a huge move, guys. So that would have been a very nice trade if you were to catch this one. You would have made quite a good amount of money. And this is where pretty much right now the price is where you would like to go out. We never suggest to wait for the price to touch these levels. Sometimes it really comes to the same point where it interacted on the previous time, but we usually suggest you to go for 80% of the previous movement. So if we are to have this trade right now, I would have closed it ASAP. This is where it doesn't matter, it could go more above the previous high. It may break and then go another 500 pips. Doesn't matter, guys. We're following our strategy. We're looking at the indicator, we're looking at those zones, and we react on what we see, and we always like to collect our profits. But that was everything for this video. Like I said, this was more of a video, you know, we'd like to introduce you the volume indicator. We're gonna show you live trades in the next video. But so far, this is it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something from it. If you really liked it, you know, you can hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Really we really appreciate that. And you can share it if you think that it might help some of your fellow friends that are interested in trading, so they can, you know, check it out. That would be great. But this is it, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.